Okay, so let's see some professional store design, then we will get to the idea why we should improve our store design. So first of all, this is basically focus on Indian and Pakistani product. Looks here, fashion item, looks there, slideshow, very high quality image, that is very important. Looks here, neat and clean, also looks at typography. Scroll down, here is the main product with image, then categories. Okay, then looks here, product carousel, no any huge space right and left and bottom, like here, you got it. Okay, then scroll down, click for campaign, our policy best price, find by color. Looks here, the product image quality, also the store design, looks very carefully, very professional, neat and clean. They have added an Instagram feed also, that is very important for any store rank or sells more product in social media. Finally, the footer section, overall it's very professional than this store. Okay, then if I go to another website, looks here, view demo, then copy the password to check the demo. Okay, then remove the password, protected. Okay, looks here, nightwear that speak, very neat and clean, looks good. Look at this picture, very professional and very neat and clean, and any users feel comfort to browse this website or store. Also they have added animate effect, looks here, scroll down, it's better than this one because it has a lot of section. We want to just keep it neat and clean. Okay, looks here, very nice design. And finally, the blog section, it's also important for any store SEO because blog can help you to rank your store very quickly on the search result. It also increase the backlink, that also important for to rank on the search engine. And finally, the footer section, we can focus this design to redesign our store. Then here another, okay, so I hope you understand everything. The first step to start SEO on your Shopify online store. Step 1, audit your website very carefully with top SEO tools like SEMrush or Moz. You can also others popular SEO tools, of course the paid tools or the premium tools. Then you should check your website speed using page speed insight of free Google tools. I'll share this tools link in the video description. And also check your website responsiveness, how it looks on mobile. Then you should start improve your website design first, store design first, then you should start SEO for your store. Okay, we'll do everything step by step, one by one. Just you have to keep your focus very steadily on this course so that you can learn everything step by step very easily, very quickly. So thank you for your time to join this class, and thank you for your time to enjoy this class. If you have any question, please let me know by the comment or directly on the chat box, or send me message or email, send me message by WhatsApp or email me. So see you there in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye bye.